The entire world dealing with the difficult decision of how to educate their children amid the pandemic. In South Korea today, the government ordering most schools in Seoul to close tomorrow, with classes held online until September 11th. The precaution taken after a resurgence of COVID-19 cases in the country, nearly 200 of them, staff and students infected in Seoul over the past couple of weeks. Meanwhile, in the United Kingdom, Prime Minister Boris Johnson says their scientific advice is that it is safe for schools to reopen next week.
I think the crucial thing is that all pupils get back to school next week and in the succeeding days in the staggered way that we want. And I'm really pleased by the work that teachers, schools, parents, pupils have done to get ready, and the steps they've taken to ensure that there is social distancing and to ensure that schools are safe.
Spain's cabinet meeting for the first time today after their summer recess, and there's uncertainty there over whether schools should reopen in September because of a surge of COVID cases. Many teachers and parent groups are angry over the government's lack of a coherent back-to-school plan. The number of cases in Spain hit 405,000 yesterday. And in Mexico, millions of students returning to class virtually yesterday. Schools there among the first institutions to close in March. Mexico has recorded the third most deaths from the virus, with more than 60,000. While the pandemic has recently eased, the government still considers it too risky to open schools. Major television networks in Mexico are broadcasting home learning programs because of limited internet and computers. For City News, I'm Melanie Ng.